What's up, you guys? What we want to what we want to talk about today is the idea of the Matrix. Aside from the astoundingly good movie featuring Keanu Reeves, you might have heard of it, there's actually a relationship between the concept and the movie The Matrix, which you may find surprising, but it's because it's about virtual reality constructed by super smart computers. Very cool. The notions that matrices are really used for simulating things. So the super intelligent computers in the Matrix created the Matrix, probably using matrices to create it. Now we will show you what a matrix is. Basically, they are just rectangular arrays of numbers that are representations of things. Matrices are arranged in rows and columns. As you can see with the matrix we have behind us, these are rows and these are columns. So this would be a 2x2 matrix. Similar to the Greek architecture. Matrices are mostly used in computer science. Things you can do with matrices are multiply them, number 1, add them, number 2, subtract them, and so on. We will show you. The two matrices we are going to be adding are 3, 9, -8, 4.3, and -10 to 5.1 and -5. And the answer to this would be 3 plus, because we're adding them, plus -10 is going to be -7, just adding across. -8 plus 2 is going to be -6. 9 plus 5.1 is going to be 14.1. And 5.3 plus -5 is going to be -0.7. And that is our new 2x2 matrix. Two matrices will never have a sum or a product that is bigger than their biggest matrix. So, next line. Matrices can later be used for simulating things, as we mentioned earlier, such as scalar multiplication, which is the process of multiplying each element of a matrix by a real number, or scalar. So, this can be commonly seen in basic geometry, is what I mean. So if we have a triangle, let's say we have a triangle as the points D, E... Get a load of this guy. Okay, so we have triangle DEF, right? And the points are D, 1, 2, E is 3, 3. That's what I said. And F, 4, 0. We can then put these points into a matrix. Cade, how would we put these into a matrix? You take them like this. 1 and 2. Put them right there. 2 and 3. Put them right there. This would be a 3x2 matrix. That's true. 1 and 2. 3x3, 4 and 0. Now, if we are trying to reflect this triangle, which we can assume is on a graph or on a plane, then we would multiply it by a scalar, or a real number, which can be represented in a matrix. It would be -1, 0, and 0, 1. And this, in matrix form, is a real number that would reflect this over the y-axis. Reflect the triangle DEF with the points 1, 2, 3, 3, and 4, 0 over the y-axis. Our answer would be -1, -3, -4, 2, 3, 0. And, Cade, what kind of matrix is our product? 3x2 matrix.
That's because the product cannot be bigger than the biggest matrix in the equation.
But it can be smaller. No. To reflect. Considering my partner's previous knowledge on the subject.
We chose this topic because we felt interested in simulating things through numbers.
So let me tell you, according to Elon Musk, Matrix could be very real. You could need to know this stuff.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching. This is Gabby and Cade, signing off. Something funny?
No. See, I mean, action.